How to make money on Palmpay without referral, which is the same thing I've taught you in the previous lesson, which has to do with what you can get it through Win Big, where you invite and earn, but we're talking about without referral. So every other way to make money apart from through Win Big or through refer and earn is a way to make money on Palmpay. For example, through cashback, which I explained, through cashback, where you get interest on the money you have in your account, through trial cash, where you can withdraw the interest on it, through transfer, when people they transfer to you, then the interest you get on it, the cashback you get from that also can also be used to earn money. You can also join the Palmpay Plus. So when you join Palmpay Plus, like I said earlier, you earn big commission. These are ways to make money on Palmpay.